like towers, reaching farther than our hands. Draw the world in diagrams, pretend we understand. But thinking can get heavy, like a tide that pulls too strong. And the whisper of the pine tree says you've been gone too long. Step outside the calculations, let the branches clear the noise. There's a truth beneath the skyline that no theory can destroy. Nature is the pill that steadies everything we think we know. Medicine for restless minds that never let things go. When intellect climbs higher than the heart can breathe or feel. The wind, the river, and the silence bring a different kind of real. We chase the sharp, the clever, the reflections in our brain. But the forest has a language that no logic can explain. A canyon carves a lesson with no lecture in its stone. A mountain teaches patience in a voice that feels like home. Lay your pride beside the pathway, let the world be what it is. There's a wisdom in the stillness that outshines analysis. Nature is the pill that steadies everything we think we know. A medicine for restless minds that never let things go. When intellect climbs higher than the heart can breathe or feel. The wind, the river, and the silence bring a different kind of real. Has its limits, and the mind can lose its way. But the sunrise doesn't argue, and the tide won't make you pay. You return to something ancient when the thinking wears you thin. A reminder that the universe doesn't need to be pinned down to begin. Nature is the pill that softens all the edges in your mind. A quiet, steady compass for the truths you couldn't find. When your intellect grows louder than the soul you meant to feel. Step outside, breathe in the wild, and remember what is real. So take the trail when thoughts get tangled. Let the wild reset the view. The deepest kind of knowing comes from letting nature speak to you.